previous lecture, we have made this roof for this building. Now we will modify this building and we will also install a chimney here. Like this, I will show you. Like this we have installed the chimney here, and we have also modified their outside walls. Okay. In this lecture, we will learn this thing. Okay. Let us start today's lecture. First of all, we will go to building, then we will go to construction, and now we have to install the chimney here. 1 minute, we can hear this is a side view from the right side, and this is a from behind view, and this will be side view from left. Okay, we have to install the chimney here because this is the kitchen area. So we will select first of all the object here. We will select this object and close, then pick individual and place it here. Okay, then we will go to site tab and we will right click it and select move and move it up like this. Okay, we will move it a little bit more like this. Okay, then right click and scale size, and we will increase the size. Oh, 1 minute. That is building site, right click, scale, and we will increase the size of this. Okay, now size is increased. Now we will pick array again this individual box and place it here, and move it. This move is already selected. We will right click and move, and okay, place it here, then scale it and right click, scale it, get down, and we will take it to this side. We will take it this side, take back little bit, take it back, okay, little bit. Okay, now we will see in 3D. This is here and this is not exactly matching to each other. Okay, no problem, we can move it here, we can move like this upwards, then like this and like this, and then we will place it right here. Okay, now we can adjust again it little bit center. Okay, okay, we will go back to side view. Okay, we will first move this also. This we will see like this, and right click move, and we will move like this and place it here, and move this like this and place it here and scale. 1 minute, we will go to again this view. Okay, move. Okay, now it is placed. We will move it upwards a little bit, not this one. Control Z, we have to move this one, this box, move. Okay, we will increase the size of this. Little bit we have to increase the size. We will zoom it. Okay, now it is okay. We will select this and this and this. 1 minute. We will go to here and we will go to here and we will select this and this. Now, first of all, we will see in the 3D. Now, this 3D is complete. This and this. Okay, 1 minute. We had to now. I want to join it, ungroup it. That is what I am searching for. That command. That is. We will select like this and here this combined. Okay, now it is combined like this. Now we will see it is combined. Okay, now our chimney is ready. You can connect it and you can see our chimney is ready. Okay, our chimney is ready now. Okay. You can, if you want to adjust it, you can adjust it, scale it like this. You can move it also, not like this. You can move it like this. Now, okay. Now we will do more work on this. Our chimney is almost ready. Now we have to do some work. We will go to select this. No, not this. We will go to here. That is materials. And select this. Then select materials catalog. Double click on here. Then go to outdoor. In outdoor we will see walls. And we will check which one. I will suppose we will select this. Apply. And close. Apply material. Like this. Apply material like this. Apply material like this. And apply material like this. Okay. Now see. Okay. We can select to go to this now. We can change his color. Suppose we will apply different material to this chimney. Can double click it. Suppose we can go outdoors and walls. In walls, concrete, wood, unshaped stone. I will see. I will select which this one will be selected. Apply and close. Then apply material. Okay, you can see. Apply material. You can see here. Apply material. Okay. We can also apply material like this. Actually, during combination, we have to take this out, but we are not taking it out. We have kept it flat. That is why. And we will apply. So this is the material we are applying from all sides. Okay, this side. We have to apply. This is a chimney. If you want this upper side a little bit different, we will try it. We can select it. We can go to here. 1 minute. We can select first this. Then go to here. Split. Okay, now it is splitted. We can right click and move it like move Okay, place like this. And one thing we can do, top view we will see. This is not top view. We can select scale it this side, this side. Little bit scale this. Now we will see this side upon this side. Oh, it is our side out. Okay. Now we can apply the material. First of all, we will combine this. That is, we will combine this. Combined. Okay. Now it is combined. Now we will go to this side again and apply material. We'll pick material like this. Okay. By material. ये कैसे हो? Now we can change the material. See, yes. We will suppose take this. Which. Suppose we will take this. Apply. Close. We will take. Just making. Okay, we will try this. How it is. Okay, it is not a good color. Otherwise, we should change the color. We will see. Like this, those. We'll take the red. This color. Like apply. See what has. Okay, it is good. I think it is now okay. Okay, now we will select the material again. On top, we will keep this little bit. What we can do? We can do walls. We can suppose we can take the concrete. This concrete, what concrete? Not necessary. We can keep as concrete finish. Apply. Close. Apply material. Okay. Now it is a good chimney. Okay. Thank you.